Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Food All Around. Today I will show you how to make perfect restaurant style honey chicken. So let's get started with the recipe. In a large mixing bowl, add 250 grams boneless chicken cut into cubes. For marinating, add salt, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix everything together until well combined. Then add 2 tablespoons Maida, 2 tablespoons corn flour and mix everything together. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water if required. Mix everything together and coat the chicken well. Cover the marinated chicken and set it aside for 1 hour. After 1 hour, add 1/3 cup corn flour in a plate to roll the marinated chicken. Then start rolling the marinated chicken pieces one after another in the corn flour. While rolling the chicken pieces in corn flour, heat oil in a pan for deep frying. Once the oil is nice and hot, drop in the chicken pieces one by one and do not stir them for a minute. After 1 minute, stir and fry the chicken pieces on medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes till nice golden in color. Remove the fried chicken pieces from oil and set them aside. And repeat the same process for the remaining chicken as well. Now for the honey glaze, heat 2 tablespoons oil in a wok. Then add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 2 to 3 chopped green chillies and stir them for 30 seconds. Then add half teaspoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon red chilli sauce, 1/4 cup tomato ketchup and mix everything together. Make sure the flame is on high. Now comes the main ingredient, that is honey. Add in 2 tablespoons honey and give them a mix. Then add 2 tablespoons water and give them a mix. Then add 1/4 teaspoon salt, a pinch of black pepper powder and give them a mix. Add in the fried chicken pieces. Coat the chicken pieces well with the honey glaze. Finally, add in 1 teaspoon sesame seeds and give them a mix. And the perfect restaurant style honey chicken is ready to serve. Do give this recipe a try and share your pictures with me on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.